With the Hololight Stream Runtime, getting started with XR streaming has never been easier. Today, we'll run through the installation and launch of the runtime, and then get started streaming from a rendering engine. Let's go! To install the Hololight Stream Runtime, I'll navigate to hololight.com and go to the Downloads section. Here, under Hololight Stream Downloads, I'll find the Hololight Stream Runtime Download Installer button. Once that's done, I can start the installation process. And now I have the installation ready. Here in the General tab, the first thing I see is my connection IP address. This is the address that I'll enter into the XR client on my device in order to connect to this machine. The device configuration option allows me to select what XR device I want to connect with. Here I have a range of options that are supported by Hololight Stream. At the bottom here, I see the current device configuration so that I can make sure that I'm always using the correct settings for my device. Importantly, to use the runtime, I need to have a licensing file, which you can receive from Hololight. Once I have it, I can navigate here to the Browse option. I have it here in my Downloads folder. I'll select that and select Open, and now I see that the license file is found. Now let's jump into Autodesk VRED, where we can start streaming. Once I'm in the engine, I'll select the content that I want to work with, and as soon as that's imported, we'll already see that the Hololight Stream icon here is available in order to start streaming. And now I'm ready to get connected. In my XR device, I'll now open the Hololight Stream client, and with my IP address correctly entered, I'll simply click the Connect button, and now I'm streaming.